Is your phone stuck in portrait mode when you're trying to watch video or photo just like this? It's rotate, but it didn't. Here is a quick guide for you on this video. To auto rotate this, you have some quick solution here. First thing is that you can use this one button. Whenever you guys are on gallery, you have that access. Just tap there and you can view that landscape photo just like that. And once you guys are done, you can just do like that as well. And next thing is that if you go to like this full screen mode, you can just simply put that and it should show you this little icon there. Just tap there and you should be rotated just like that. Now what if you guys wanted to go your application on rotation mode? For example, on this one, you can pretty much see we can do same thing with this icon. All right, now you always wanted to go like on landscape mode. For that, you will need to turn on this button here. Just find this portrait icon and then auto rotate this. Now whenever you guys just rotate your phone, it should do its job. All right, and if you just put this vertical, it should go on vertical. Now on your home screen, if you wanted to do this, you need to enable this, hold this and go to setting. And I'm assuming you that you guys are using One UI home launcher instead of other. You can see on about home screen, this is One UI home. To enable the rotation, you need to tap or enable this one and go back. Now you can auto rotate your home screen just like that, and it is pretty cool. You can go from here, you can see that. Now your phone is fully rotation mode. If you like it, I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you in next quick video. Peace out.